Hello, my lovely viewers. Good day to you all. You're all welcome to Maths Miss Easy by Aisha Bande. So today we shall be looking at addition of binary numbers. Before now, I've made a post giving us stating the rules for the addition of binary numbers, and I'm going to restate the rules here for us. The first rule says the 0 plus 0 on the binary numbers give us 0. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. And 1 plus 1 gives us 10. So, on the binary numbers before now, as we have explained, we know binary numbers are numbers between 0 and 1. So, today we shall be looking at the addition of binary numbers. So, let's start with the first example here, which says that we should add 1 plus 1 plus 1. Students have this challenge of knowing how to solve or add binary numbers. They tend to cram what the final answer would be, but this is a shortcut method or a method that will aid our understanding. So solving this, the easy way to solve this is to add the three numbers 1, 1, 1. We have 1, 1, 1 here. So we add those three numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, right? So we have 3. Since it's binary, so it's in base 2, we are going to divide this 3 by 2. And 3 divided by 2 gives us 1, remainder 1. The R here means remainder. So we write down the remainder here, which is the 1. Then we carry the other number, which is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 11. As simple as that. Whenever we are solving, we are adding binary numbers, our number or our answer is always between 0 and 1. Let's move on to the next example, which says 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So solving this, we also take it this way, the same method. 1, 1, 1, 1. Here we have the 1 are in 4 places, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we add those 4 numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1, 3, plus 1 is 4. So here we have 4. The same method again, we divide by 2, which is binary, right? And 4 divided by 2 gives us what? 2 remainder 0. So we write down the remainder here, which is 0. We have 2 as the next number. So the next number here, 2, we carry it here. This 2, we still have to divide by 2 because our answer has to be between 0 and 1. So this 2 here again, we divide by 2, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1, remainder 0. So we write the remainder here, which is 0. So the next number here is 1, and we bring the 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 100. It's as simple as that. Always remember that is the remainder you write down before you move on to the next number. Let's solve the last example here, which says 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Solving using the same method again. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So we add up. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4, and plus the last one gives us 5. So this is going to be 5 divided by 2. This gives us 2, remainder 1. So viewers, we write down the remainder as usual, which is 1, and we are left with a number which is 2. So this 2, we still have to divide it again by 2 because it is not in binary form, right? So 2 divided by 2 here gives us 1, remainder 0. So the remainder here is 0. We write the remainder 0, and the other number here is 1. So we are not dividing again, so we write down the 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 1, 0, 1. Hope this is helpful and we have learned something new today from addition of binary numbers. In our next class, we'll solve more examples under addition of binary numbers for more clarification. Please, if you have any question, kindly drop your questions in the comment section below. Thank you, viewers, and see you in our next class. Bye.